These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of bird. No dragons required. No.
Still gonna, like, it's not gonna not eat it.
Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. We gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here.
Yeah.
Can't wing lie without wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of bird. No dragons required. No! Just just keep moving forward. No. Forward. You know which way is forward, right? Oh no, take your action. Worse? Maybe you're right, bud. Maybe there will never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Ah, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Yeah. Alright, now gather up all your axes, helmets, and shields and prepare to exit the wing light.